Oh, yeah, yeah. When anyone brings a peace offering, an offering to the Lord in worship, this is the way it shall be brought, from herd or flock, as the Lord has spoken. If the offering is from the herd, whether male or female, you may bring it, but it must be without blemish. You bring it before the Lord. You lay your hand on its head at the entrance of the tent of meeting, and you shall slaughter it there before the Lord. Aaron's sons, the priest, shall take the blood and throw the blood against the altar, all around on every side, as the Lord has commanded. From the peace offering you shall present a food offering to the Lord, the fat that covers the entrails and all the fat that is on the entrails, the 2 kidneys with the fat on them, at the loins and the long lobe of the liver, that he shall remove with the kidneys. This is the portion set apart, and Aaron's son shall burn it on the altar, on top of the burnt offering, on the wood that is on the fire, a food offering made by fire, a pleasing aroma offered to the Lord. The fat is his portion, according to his word. If the offering is from the flock, if you bring a lamb as your offering, you shall bring it before the Lord without blemish, as the Lord has said. You lay your hand on its head and slaughter it before the tent of meeting, and Aaron's sons throw the blood against the altar all around. Then from the peace offering you shall offer a food offering to the Lord. It's fat, the whole fat tail, remove close to the backbone, the fat that covers the entrails and all the fat that is on the entrails, the 2 kidneys with the fat on them, at the loins and the long lobe of the liver, remove with the kidneys as commanded. The priest shall burn them on the altar as food offering to the Lord. The portion belongs to him, the offering made by fire,
a pleasing aroma offered to the Lord. The fat is his portion, according to his word. A pleasing aroma offered to the Lord. The fat is his portion.
If your offering is a goat, you shall bring it before the Lord, male or female, without blemish. You offer it as is required. You lay your hand on its head and slaughter it before the tent of meeting, and Aaron's sons throw the blood against the altar all around. Then you shall offer from it a food offering to the Lord, the fat that covers the entrails and all the fat that is on the entrails, the 2 kidneys with the fat on them, at the loins and the long lobe of the liver, that he shall remove with the kidneys. The priest shall burn them on the altar, a food offering, a pleasing aroma. All fat is the Lord's, this is set apart to him, a pleasing aroma
offered to the Lord.
All fat is the Lord's alone, kept holy by his word. This shall be a statute forever, throughout your generations, in all your dwelling places. You shall eat neither fat nor blood, from herd, from flock, from goat. Peace offerings brought before the Lord, blood on the altar, fat on the fire, a statute forever, as the Lord has spoken.